Hey there folks, Chuck here, and yep, it's time to pick the winner for the Mike's Mods and Customs 40 Ford challenge. He sent me that 40 Ford casting that I made into a Moonshine Runner under the stipulation that I pay it forward and give it away. So that's what this is. You could enter by being a subscriber on the channel and by commenting on the video with a name for the alligator. So we got to find somebody who did those things. So we're going to filter duplicate users and we're going to get our comments. Looks like we have 72 unique comments. So hopefully whoever I pick, there's a alligator name in the comment. If not, we'll keep picking. So here we go. Vic Amoy Diecast writes, very nice. That's a very nice comment, but it is not an alligator name. So we're going to try that again. And Martin Dare's Dinky Restorations wrote, excellent work, great paint finish. Again, very nice comment. Thank you, Martin. But no alligator name. So we're going to try that again. All right, Andrew Black. Beautiful car. I'd call that gator Cheddar. That is a great name for the alligator. So thank you very much, Andrew. We appreciate that. That is a great name for the Cheese Bag channel. So, yeah, Andrew, please contact me as soon as you can within the next 48 hours so I can get your address. And if not, I will pick another winner. So, once again, congrats to Andrew Black. Thank you so much for your comments. Thanks, everybody who entered. And thank you to Mike's Mods and Customs for hosting a great challenge. I got some more great stuff coming your way very soon. So, be sure to like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Punch the bell so you don't miss my next video. And we'll see you soon. As always, I want to thank you for coming along with me for the ride. So until next time, stay fresh, cheese bags.